Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the video session, my dear children. Hope you all fine and safe at home. Yes, all of you can you able to recollect whatever we learned in previous videos, rotation and revolution. Hope you all enjoyed the previous videos. Before moving into the new topic of our lesson, let's have quick recap on rotation and revolution. Hope you all remember this picture, children. Yes, it's a rotation. So here is a recap of rotation. What we learned in rotation? Rotation, axis, tilt, equator, hemisphere, poles, latitude and longitude. These all we learned in the rotation. I already told you that always keep it in the mind. Axis, equator, longitude and latitude all are imaginary lines drawn by the geographers. Hope you all remember what is rotation, axis, tilt, everything, right? Okay. So now recap on revolution. Can you able to recognize this picture? Yes. It is Earth rotates and revolutes around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. So what we learned in revolution? Revolution, orbit, seasons, leap year, effects of revolution. So what is mean by revolution? The revolution is the movement of Earth along a fixed path called orbit. Okay, orbit is nothing but a fixed path in which Earth revolutes around the Sun. Seasons, how many seasons? There are 4 seasons. Leap year, the year which has 366 days are called leap year. Okay, what are the effects of revolution? Revolution causes seasons, leap year and all the parts of the earth will receive the different amount of sunlight. These are all the effects of revolution. Hope you all able to recollect all the topics what we learnt in previous rotation and revolution, children. Let's move on to the next one. Yes, children, here is our today's topic, that is equinox and solstice. We already know that different parts of the earth will receive different amount of the sunlight. That is because of the earth's tilt. Okay, so that's why this equinox and solstice causes different places receives different amount of sunlight. Not all the places have a same temperature, so that causes the equinox and solstice. We'll be describing in the further slides about equinox and solstice. Solstice and equinox. How it causes? Due to the tilt of the Earth's axis of 23.5 degree, the sun rays directly falls on different latitudes at different times of the year. That's what we learnt about the latitude and longitude. So different parts will receive the different amount of sun rays in the different time of the year. So it causes equinox and solstice. What is mean by equinox and what is mean by solstice? Equinox, the places whichever receives the sunlight overhead, that is equal day and equal night. Solstice, the sun stand still. Okay, that is called solstice. Have you clear with the topic? Equinox, the places which have a equal day and equal night. Solstice, the sun stand still. So before moving into that, just have a quick introduction about Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. It's nothing but this. Both are also called latitudes. Just observe the picture. Above the equator, Tropic of Cancer. Below the equator, it is a Tropic of Capricorn. So Tropic of Cancer is the most northern latitude on the earth where the sun can appear directly overhead. These places whichever lies in the Tropic of Cancer, they receive the sunlight directly overhead. Same way even the Tropic of Capricorn, whichever the place lies in the Tropic of Capricorn, even they receive the sunlight directly overhead. That is, the Tropic of Capricorn is the most southern latitude. Tropic of Cancer is the most northern latitude. Both are latitudes. Okay. Just keep it in mind because in the next videos we are going to learn about this. These are the places which is going to cause the equinox and solstice. So look at the picture carefully. They have marked that all the seasons and dates that where the equinox and solstice will be caused. Okay. First remember these are dates. These are dates very important because in these dates only this equinox and solstice are causing. Okay. First 21st March and 21st September. When you study about equinox and solstice, just compare it and study the two dates. Then easy to recollect. Okay, children? So let's enter into this. 21st March and 21st September, look at the picture where it is. Okay, and the sun is directly overhead the equator. So, thereby causing the equinox. Sunlight or sun rays directly falls on the equator. So, this will causes the equinox. These places will have a high temperature. Due to this, other parts of the earth will have a mild climate. Okay. So 21st March, if you see that northern hemisphere as spring equinox and southern hemisphere as autumn equinox. This for 21st March. Just see 21st September, just opposite of 21st March. Here northern hemisphere as autumn equinox and southern hemisphere as spring equinox. Can you able to understand the topic? Yes, here just look at this 21st March and 21st September. Just opposite of 21st March is 21st September. What is happening here in 21st March northern hemisphere, that will happen in the southern hemisphere of 21st September. Okay, just I'll repeat this. 21st March and 21st September, the sun is directly overhead the equator, so it is causes the equinox. And 21st March, northern hemisphere as spring equinox, southern hemisphere as autumn equinox. But 21st September, northern hemisphere as autumn equinox and southern hemisphere as spring equinox. So what will happen in these regions? 21st March, what are the places lies in the northern hemisphere? They will be having equal day and equal night. Same 21st March, southern hemisphere, whichever the places having, they have a equal day and equal night, that is the autumn. Okay, the season will be in the autumn. Okay, so that is what here we are learning. Yes, have you all clear with this, children? So let's move on to the next one. Yes, children, here is the another 2 days solstice and equinox. There we studied the 21st March and September. Here we are going to learn about 21st June and 21st December. Here it causes the solstice. Sun rays falls on the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. That's what I gave you small introduction about the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Those are called the latitudes. Okay. Yes. So 21st June, what will happen? The sun rays falls on the Tropic of Cancer. 21st December, sun rays falls on the Tropic of Capricorn. So here also just opposite of June and December. Just see it. Northern hemisphere has summer solstice and southern hemisphere has winter solstice in 21st June. 21st December, northern hemisphere has winter solstice and southern hemisphere has summer solstice. The sun stand still. Okay. So here we will have a solstice. 21st June and 21st December. Yes, children, hope you all clear with the what is equinox and what is solstice. Equinox is a equal day and equal night. Solstice, sun stand still. Yes, children, here is the activity time. Hope you all enjoying with the previous activities. So here we are going to do the season plate. For season plate, what are all the things we need? Paper plate, piece of papers, sketcher, color pens. So in the paper we are going to make a sun and earth models. Okay, just drawing. And then in the paper plate, first we are going to stick the sun picture, and around the sun picture we are going to mark all the seasons: summer, spring, winter, falls, everything. So according to the seasons we are going to stick the earth, that pictures whatever we made it with the paper, and enjoy it. This one you can do yourself without anyone's help. Okay, so enjoy all the activities and do it and understand the topics, my dear children. So quick recap about the lesson. So what are all we learned? Revolution. Revolution is the movement of the earth along a fixed path is called revolution. Orbit. Fixed path that an object in space takes around another one. Seasons. Seasons are different times or periods of the year that are marked by changes in the climate, temperature and hours of daylight. Equinox. Equal day and equal night. Solstice. The sun stands still. Hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Rotation, revolution, solstice and equinox, all the activities. Yes, so all of you able to understand all the topics. Now you can able to do the book back exercises. With this, our movement of earth is completed. So just read the lesson and do the book back exercises, my dear children. Thank you for watching the video, children. Hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you.